So in this video, I'm going to be showcasing exactly how much an account from zero managed to make me on TikTok Shop by posting 5 to 8 very simple videos per day with only around 30 minutes of work per day. So stay tuned for the results and make sure to drop a comment down below if you enjoyed the video. So TikTok Shop, for you to get accepted, require 500 followers. So obviously from a fresh account, this is very difficult. So I'm going to quickly show you a very speed ramp process that I do that takes me less than 24 hours to actually achieve these 500 followers so I can get accepted and get to making money as soon as possible for this challenge. The very simple way I'm going to reach these 500 followers is simply going to be through the teamwork method, which you can see me doing now. So you guys can roughly see the process behind what I'm doing and how I'm reaching the 500 followers fairly quickly. And in the meantime, I'm going to be getting videos done already for these products, doing my market research, seeing what videos are doing well on TikTok and just simply copying what is already doing well. So when I'm already accepted tomorrow/tonight, I can instantly start pushing those videos out and instantly start promoting them and obviously getting views and making money, etc. Because that's the goal of this, to see how much I can make within 7 days from zero. So for this challenge, I've chosen products that all of you guys can get your hands on them. They're very easy to sell, good commissions, etc. So here we have teeth whitening strips from Dr. Dent. These do very well in TikTok Shop. Same as these teeth whitening strips, they solve a problem, etc. Same as these creatine gummies. These do very well in TikTok Shop. So these are the 3 main products I'm going to look to sell, simply because you guys can sell them as well and it's relatable. So we're going to see obviously my results with these, and I'm going to showcase me filming the videos, my thought process behind it, and etc. Let me give you a very good example here, just a video that I quickly filmed. You'll see that with the videos that I'm filming, they're very simple to film. I don't need to show my face in them. They take me a couple minutes to film, and that's how I can record so many videos, which 5 to 8 videos per day really isn't a lot, and the results won't be anything crazy because it's only over 7 days. But if you're posting 10, 20, 30 times a day for a month, the results would be insane. But I'm just showcasing, just giving you guys a rough gauge of roughly what results you can achieve with 30 minutes of effort per day, if even that. 5 to 8 videos will take me around 15 to 20 minutes tops. So with day 1 complete, I've managed to get the account to 500 followers. I've posted a couple of videos that you've seen. I've generated some sales, not anything crazy, just you can see the commission I've received, nothing crazy. But these videos over the course of the next week will begin to pick up. That's what happens. I'll post, let's say 8 videos, but they'll really start to pick up after a couple of days. So you can't really judge a video based off its results after the first 2 or 3 days even. So today's day 2 of the challenge. You've seen the videos that I posted yesterday. I'll pop up a screenshot. You can see the views maybe, what was it, I think an hour after I posted them. Not very good, but as I said, you need to give the videos time. Now those videos are doing a lot better than they were yesterday. They're still gaining me sales throughout the day. So it just goes to show that you need to post a video, not private or delete it instantly. Give it a couple of days, because that's when the real quality of the video will come out and the views will reflect on the quality of the video. And because I know exactly how to record the videos and what to post, etc, etc, I can record 8 videos, which I'm about to do now, in literally less than 30 minutes. And I'm going to post them throughout the day. It doesn't really matter when, I'm just going to post them and I will get back to you guys with the results. But you can see it's very simple, less than half an hour's worth of work per day to make 8 videos, which is, times that by 7, that's 56 pieces of content going out per day per account, which is very good. So with the 8 videos done, I'm going to be rolling out throughout the rest of the day. I've filmed with total of 3 products, the 2 teeth whitening products and the creatine gummies, as I mentioned at the start of the video. I wanted to just quickly touch on TikTok Shop in general as a skill and why I think it's so good. So not only are you going to learn how to make money from these products, so you're going to learn what products do well on TikTok Shop, what videos do well, what products don't do well, what videos don't do well, how to market certain products, because you can have a very good product that's really solves a problem, that's interesting, etc, good price, whatever. But if you don't make the correct videos on it, it just won't get enough attention, it won't be marketed properly. So once you learn what does well from trial and error, you can then transfer that into your own e-com store. You can then sell that as a service to a business, for example. It opens so many doors from just pulling out your phone and recording. As simple as you may think it is, it opens so many doors, and on top of it, you can make thousands per month. So that's why I think it's a very good skill, and that's why I'm doing the challenge, just to showcase the true possibilities of it, even if you are starting from scratch, from zero, and you don't know what you're doing. Today's day 3 of the challenge. I completely forgot to record yesterday's results, so I'll pop up the results so you can see. Again, not anything crazy, but as this challenge progresses, all these videos will begin to pick up and a snowball effect will occur. So again, today I'm going to be posting my 8 videos. I'm going to again document that, and you can see how quickly I managed to do these videos and post them throughout the day. I post them in batches of 2 or 3. I just post them whenever I want in batches, and over time, as I said, they will begin to pick up. So I'll catch up with you guys later when I record these videos, and obviously we'll cover the results at the end. At the end of the challenge, we're going to recover my day today, exactly how much I've made Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, etc. So we can calculate all the profits and whether it's something that you can achieve as well. I've also ordered another product off Amazon, which is a teeth whitening product once again, simply because it's very similar to the ones that I'm currently selling now that are doing very well. However, my commission is £6, so my commission for sending these is around £2. The commission for these ones I've ordered is £6, so 3 times bigger. And I've ordered it off Amazon just to save time and for it to come the same day, so I can start creating content on it immediately, obviously for this challenge. All of the 8 videos are now drafted. I just want to quickly touch, however, on not dwelling on ideas, because I sit down and I know I need to film, for example, 8 videos for this TikTok shop challenge, let's say. I know I need to film these 8 videos, and I don't have a plan for any of them. I sit down and I think of the idea on the spot, and they're very simple ideas. The videos don't have to be anything crazy. It's either an idea that I've just thought of or I've seen someone else do. And as soon as I see an idea for myself or from someone else that's done very well, I'll just simply replicate it hundreds of times over. So I don't sit there planning videos, which is why it takes me less than 30 minutes to film 8 videos, which normally would take a lot longer. It takes me less than 30 minutes because I sit down and I'm sitting down for the sole purpose to record these videos and draft them, not to plan ideas, not for anything like that. Because there is no need to plan. In TikTok shop, it's all volume. Obviously, you need to know the right products, etc. You've seen the process. Now I'm going to post them throughout the day, and that is it. You can see my results for day 3, nothing crazy again, but you will see over the time of this challenge, the results will slowly begin to pick up. And overall, over the week, I would have made decent money considering I started from 0 only 7 days ago at the end of the challenge. So stay tuned for day 4 and these are results. So I'll get on to day 4, show you guys me recording videos and the whole process again, and anything I have to update you with, I will. So today's day 4 of the challenge. However, today I'm traveling, so I'm going to showcase me traveling and still being able to produce the 8 videos, because it really is possible when you have the product on your hands, or even if you don't have it. But I'm going to have just one of the products on my hands, and again I'm going to cover me filming them, and this time I'm going to go more in depth and what my thought process is behind some of the videos, and obviously we'll cover the results at the end of today's day. So today's day 5 of the challenge. Again, I'm traveling, but today I'm going to give a different style of approach of the content I post. So normally, the content I've been posting has been very bottom funnel content, so literally just a product, comparing prices, very simple stuff. This time, I'm going to try some videos where I show my face and I give before and after results of the teeth whitening product. This way, it builds more trust, it could get more views, and in return, my conversion rate's higher, so I'll get more sales. So yesterday, I'll pop up the results here. Again, another these today, nothing crazy, and I really want this challenge to start picking up soon, which I think it will, but let's see. The structure I'm using for these videos, I'm showing what the product does. So for example, before and after result, and then after that, I'm showcasing the product simply in front of me. That's all I'm doing, and I'm just repeating that process over and over again. So today's day 7 of the challenge. I've literally done the exact same things that I've done throughout the whole week on day 6 and also day 7. And I've let obviously the other videos accumulate, get views and stuff like that. So I'm going to cover, now I'm going to screen share my screen. I'm going to cover the views that I got, the amount of videos that I posted per day, and in total how much money I managed to make over the course of these 7 days from a fresh account, just to give you guys more of a deeper understanding of what's actually possible with TikTok shop and overall creating content on TikTok. The results for the last 7 days, which you guys saw, obviously days 6 and 7 you didn't see, but I did the exact same thing. If anything, I posted a bit more on day 6, I believe, because I just had a bunch of videos drafted. So let's cover day 1. So day 1, posted 8 videos, which you guys saw. I got a total of 3.5k views and generated £26 and received £3 in commission in general. So GMV, for those who don't know, stands for just in general how much volume I generated, how much revenue I generated for the business. I generated them £26. In return, I received £3 commission. The next day, we got 35,000 views, and the videos from the previous day also started picking up, which means we've got even more product views. So our product views are a bit higher, and we got again generated £170 and £20 in commission, which again is not bad. That is really good for the second day. Third day, I posted 10 videos, in fact, and this is where the other previous videos started really picking up. We've reached a total of 180,000 views, £360 in revenue generated, and £46 in commission. So you can see we're getting there. The next day dropped down a little bit to 52,000 views. This sometimes does happen, but that's where I just stayed consistent, kept posting. Again, generated £24 in commission. Very good numbers. The next day, 190,000 views and £49 in commission. Again, very good results. That is very consistent. £50 a day is 1.5k a month. Very consistent results. The next day is where all of the previous videos are posted. So you can see previous videos, we had 18 plus 16. We had over 30 videos posted. And this day I posted another 9 videos. And we received 100, or this day, sorry, I posted another 12 videos. We've received nearly 1 million views total and nearly £100 in commission, all for me, which is very good. That's very good stuff. The next day, again, £53 in commission, 300,000 views, very decent numbers. And in total, that comes out to £293 in commissions in 1 week from starting from scratch, which means if you multiply that by 4, that's a guaranteed 1.2k a month. Not considering that I'm going to be posting 10 videos again throughout those days left of the month, which will begin to pick up, and I've documented all of it, which is crazy. So if you guys do want more information, you want to get full access to this blueprint that I've done, please check the link in my bio where you'll also be able to see the account that I've also done this on. I share the account publicly in there for all the members to see. We have over 100 members in the academy. Everyone's doing well. We teach you to get your first sale within 21 days. So if you guys are interested, join. The link is below. We're partnered with some really good people. We're partnered with a great team of people inside to really help you, to really push you. I'm in there. I'm always active. So join. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a comment and I'll see you guys later.